Imagine invisible threads stretched across your room, carrying your Netflix binge, your Instagram feed, and that questionable midnight Google search, all at the speed of light. That's Wi-Fi. But it's not magic in the air, it's science doing parkour. Your router is the DJ at a private party, and your devices are guests wearing invisible headphones. The music? It's made of radio waves, the same family as the signals your car radio picks up, but tuned to very specific frequencies so the neighbors don't accidentally watch your Netflix. When you send something, say a meme, your phone chops it into tiny packets. Each packet gets an address like a digital postcard. The router takes those packets, sprays them into the air using electromagnetic waves, and your friend's device catches them, reassembles them, and boom, meme delivered. Wi-Fi is literally shouting into the air, and every device around you can hear it. The only reason your laptop doesn't steal your neighbor's messages is encryption. Like speaking a language only you and your router know. Without it, anyone could read your data like it's an open diary. But Wi-Fi isn't one long lazy beam, it's a chaotic light show. Your router sends bursts of data, pauses, listens for replies, and juggles dozens of devices like a circus act. And if too many devices talk at once? Collision. It's like everyone yelling in a group chat and nothing getting through. Then there's the range problem. Wi-Fi signals are weak. A wall, a fridge, or even your body can block them. That's why you lose connection the second you step into the kitchen because, fun fact, water absorbs the same frequency range Wi-Fi uses. And guess what you're mostly made of? Yep, water. You're basically a walking Wi-Fi sponge. You've probably seen it on your Wi-Fi settings, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Sounds like something you'd choose for a microwave, right? But here's the deal, they're like two different highways. 2.4 GHz is the old, wide highway. It goes farther, through walls, floors, even that fridge in the way, but it's slower because everyone is on it. Your neighbors, your smart TV, even your wireless mouse might be jamming traffic. 5 GHz, on the other hand, is the new sleek express lane. It's way faster, perfect for gaming or streaming in HD, but it doesn't travel as far. The moment you put a couple of walls between you and the router, your fast lane turns into a dead end. Now here's something that feels straight out of a spy movie. Before your phone and your router start sending real data, they do a handshake. Not a literal one, but a digital one, exchanging keys to prove, hey, I'm legit. Without this, your Wi-Fi network would be like a nightclub with no bouncer. Anyone could walk in and start downloading movies on your tab. And remember those data packets we talked about earlier? They don't just fly randomly. Your router uses something called beamforming. Instead of spraying the signal in all directions, it focuses the waves toward your device like a spotlight. That's why when you move your laptop, sometimes it feels like the Wi-Fi follows you. But there's a hidden villain in all of this: interference. Your microwave, Bluetooth speakers, even baby monitors are basically screaming on the same frequencies Wi-Fi uses. That's why reheating your pizza can sometimes make your video call freeze like you're in a bad horror movie. Wi-Fi isn't really wireless. All those signals eventually hit actual cables running under streets, across oceans, and through data centers. Your wireless connection is just the first tiny jump in a massive wired network. So next time your Wi-Fi drops and you're sitting there blaming the internet, remember, it's not magic, it's a juggling act of invisible waves, tiny handshakes, and traffic lanes you can't see. Your cat walks in front of the router? Boom, speed bump. Your neighbor reheats spaghetti? Instant lag. Somewhere under the ocean, a cable blinks, and your meme takes the long way around the planet. Wi-Fi is basically the most overworked, underappreciated roommate you have and the only one who still talks to you at 3 a.m. If you just learned anything that made you go, wait, really? Imagine what's next. Stick around.